Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix TeaTV not working on Firestick.
Fix 1. Restart Firestick Step 1. Go to Settings on Firestick Step 2. Select My Fire TV Step 3. Click Restart. Fix 2. Check Internet Connection Step 1. Open Settings Step 2. Go to Network Step 3. Make sure Wi-Fi is connected and stable. Fix 3. Force Stop TeaTV Step 1. Go to Settings Applications Step 2. Select Manage Installed Applications Step 3. Choose TV Force Stop. Fix 4. Clear TV cache and data Step 1. Open Settings Applications Step 2. Select TTV Step 3. Click Clear Cache Step 4. Click Clear Data. Fix 5. Update TTV App Step 1. Open Downloader or source used to install TTV Step 2. Download the latest version Step 3. Install and open TTV.